Good morning down Montgomery, Prattville, Alabama. I just wanted to show here right at the end of August 2025. That's about all the hummingbirds I'm going to be able to get. Got maybe 30 this year total. Just doing a little video of in the kitchen. You know how they are. Most of the time they don't like you to be right there staring at them. So they're doing really well. They're really helping me with my mosquito problem down here in the south. The heat's broke. It's going up into the mid 80s today, but we had 65 degrees last night, which is lovely. And this is my favorite feeder right here. It's real close to the window. I have plenty of feeders out, keep them really clean. And they are really taking advantage of the situation, as they always do. I've been here 5 years now on this property. I really enjoy the hummingbirds. It's a sign of life that you never get used to. Makes you feel good. You get out, watch them in the mornings. That one hides on the other side. I just wanted to share. This is the 2025 edition of the Hummingbirds, Prattville, Alabama, USA, August 2025. 2-minute video. I'm out of here.